Make me feel like I'm doing something that's beneficial, not only just to me, but like people in general, because I've learned things that I never would imagine learning, like a whole bunch of communication skills, soft skills, and hard skills.
For one thing, people are more liable to stay out of trouble if they've got a job that it's a trade that you can actually get out and build a career on.
Not only have I learned all these skills here, but I have way more career prospects now than I had in the world.
I don't earn a paycheck, but I still come to work because I am being paid. I'm being paid by experience, and I'm being paid by learning and by knowledge. Every day I come here and learn something new. Every day I come here and learn something new.
We have an opportunity that a lot of people don't have, and that is that we get to learn a skill.
So being able to kind of critical think and be able to diagnose and be able to just kind of problem solve, I can apply that to the world and doing things, whether it be mechanics, stuff like that I choose to be involved with. I hope to get the opportunity to be involved with.
Oh, it's a privilege. It's an opportunity to be able to be part of a platform that will assist in finding a job before you're released or right when you're released. Another form that will assist you in staying out and having a guaranteed job.